Hello everyone, Little Splashes here. This video is for parents whose babies below 3 months old who yet to try conditioning at home before joining our Little Splashes class. We'll be using different equipment that are easily accessible from home to create various water activities. The items are warm water, a portable bathtub, a waterproof toy, a soft towel, and a showering can or DIY container with hose at the bottom. Are you ready? Let's get started! Fill the portable bathtub with warm water. Slowly lower baby into the tub and allow the warm water to regulate baby's body temperature. While supporting the neck, lean baby backwards in a half-lying position without the head touching the water. Let baby grip onto a waterproof toy. Here, refrain from giving a small toy as it may cause choking. The waterproof toy allows baby to self-calm using their grasp reflex and to keep their hands occupied while we perform some leg activities. Now, gently place baby's feet against the bathtub to encourage a kick-push motion. One more time. Feet against the bathtub and you go. Kick and push. Well done. Next, using a soft towel, gently rub it against baby's skin. This will help to activate baby's sense of touch and allow them to relate the activity with their regular bath time. Now, put the ears in the water. By letting baby feel their own buoyancy, it helps them to become more relaxed in the water. At the same time, you can massage their feet and limbs to stimulate their circulatory and digestive systems. Now, water sprinklers time! Fill the bucket with water. Show the water flowing in front of your baby and sprinkle the body a few times. This helps to stimulate their senses and allows them to register the action to the water sprinkling activity so that they will not be shocked when water suddenly flows on their head and face. Now, let's rinse from the back of the head on the command of 1, 2, 3, rings. Middle of the head, 1, 2, 3, rings. In this lying position, do not sprinkle water on baby's face. For more confident parents, you may attempt the water sprinkler activity with a sitting position. For babies with weaker neck, use 2 fingers to support the cheek, palm on the chest and lean forward 45 degrees. Here you have 1 hold. For babies with stronger neck, place 4 fingers onto the ribcage, palm and wrist across the chest, lean baby forward and place baby's arms over. With these forward-leaning positions, short bursts of water flowing on baby's face can help to stimulate baby's eyes to close, holding of breath and increase baby's receptivity of having water on their face. Gradually, the child will be able to progress to put their face comfortably in the water. Yay! You did wonderful! Want to learn more? See you in Little Splashes!